Hello everyone, this is a 2022 Lexus ES300 hybrid. I'll be showing you how to reset the oil, the maintenance light on this one. As you could see, this is maintenance required. Visit your dealer. So we'll use this button right here. We'll go to settings, scroll down all the way to vehicle settings, hit OK button, press OK. So you go down on schedule maintenance first, hit OK, go up, press yes. Okay, you'll go back with this. Now go down on oil maintenance, hit OK, go up, press yes, reset complete. So it's done. Thank you for watching.